to my channel Faith and Flower. I'm Robin, and today I wanted to give you guys a review and a demonstration of my Chi Air Spin and Curl curling iron. I had mentioned this in my June favorites video, and several of you said you would like to see the demonstration, and I'm more than happy to show it to you guys. So we'll get started in just a minute. But first of all, I just want to say thank you for watching. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. And I will have some videos linked above in the card so that you can get an idea of what my channel is all about. Let's get started. This is the Chi Air Spin and Curl Rotating Curler. And the heating element is concealed inside. So one of the things that made me buy this was the fact that you cannot burn yourself using this curling iron, which was a real issue for me. It has a digital display and you can control the temperature, and it has an automatic shut off in case you forget and leave it on. It's clearly marked so you can see which side needs to be facing your head as you're using it. And it pulls the hair into the inner chamber where it is curled, and you can control the direction that you want the curl to go in by pressing these two buttons. The curling iron comes preset to a temperature of low, which is about 360 degrees, which works well for me. Or you can use the plus or minus buttons to vary the temperature to your liking, or the M button, which will put it at a preset low, medium, or high temperature. Another feature that sold me on this curling iron was that it is dual voltage, which means you can travel with it to Europe. And I like this Velcro cord that keeps the cord neat for storage, and the cord also rotates around the curling iron as you use it, so it doesn't get tangled or twisted. This tool used to clean the barrel of the curling iron is included along with easy to follow instructions, and they recommend that you do that once a month. I start by sectioning my hair into 3 different sections, and with the lower part, I will take about 1 inch of hair. Then I will comb it to make sure that it is smooth. Starting with the digital control side of the curling iron facing my head, I insert the section of hair into the curling chamber. Then I hold down one of the arrow buttons, and the hair will be automatically curled into the chamber. When the strand is completely in the chamber, you can release the button so that the rotating will stop. When you hear the 4 beeps, then you can gently pull down and release the hair from the chamber. I'll gather the next section of hair, and then I smooth it out with my comb, and this time I will turn my head so you guys can see a little bit better the hair being pulled into the chamber. But again, you just insert it into the barrel and you push one of the buttons. I want to rotate it away from my head. It pulls the hair in, and you just wait until you hear those 4 beeps, and then you can release the curl. So I'm going to speed things up to show you how I continue to curl my hair, and I'm going for sort of a beachy wave look, so I want to rotate the hair back and forth, some strands going towards my face and some away from my face to give it a little bit more of a natural look. So I just continue until the bottom layer is finished. So I want to show you here what happens when you put in too much hair into the chamber or it doesn't rotate in smoothly. The curling iron automatically stops rotating and starts beeping until you reset it by pressing the power button. And this is a great safety feature because I've never had my hair get tangled or snagged or ripped out or anything like that, which seems like could happen when you have an automatic system like this, but it's a great feature, and every time that has happened, it seems to work great. After the bottom section is curled, I release the hair from the middle section and basically repeat the process. I'm still varying the direction of the curl. Some of them are going towards my face and some of them away from my face, just to keep that natural beachy wave look. For this section of hair that is closest to my face, I like to have it curl towards my face. With the short layers that I just have found that that gives me the best result. After I've finished curling my hair, I try to wait a couple minutes to make sure that the curls are cool and they've had time to set, and then I will just run my fingers through my hair, kind of combing them out loosely. I really am enjoying this curling iron. I bought it because I had so much trouble with burning myself with a traditional curling iron, and I don't think I'll ever go back to one. This is just so easy. It seems to be faster, and I don't have to think about, how long to hold my hair in there. I don't have to worry about burning it because I can control the temperature. And I have a lot of hair, but it's fine, so I do have to be careful that I don't burn it. And I feel like my hair has stayed in very good condition since I've been using it, and I really love the results. And if you want a tighter curl, you can definitely set the heat higher, but this loose look is what I was going for, so I'm really happy with it. The best value is at Bed Bath & Beyond. You can use your 20% off coupon because this curling iron is about $100 at most places, and I've checked on Amazon and several other places, and with that 20% off coupon you can get the best deal. So that's where I would purchase one if you're interested. If you have any questions about the curling iron or how I style my hair, please be sure to leave them in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching today. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please be sure to subscribe. I would love to have you become a part of my YouTube family. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.